Turbocharger is a device used by the auto manufacturers to boost the power and performance of smaller engine by supplying more volume of air into the engine. Introduction to turbo has made the smaller engines to make power similar to the larger engines, keeping the performance and efficiency improved. As they fail to do their job, you may experience several symptoms. The first symptom with failed turbo in your car is reduced performance. This is because the main purpose of turbo is to boost up the performance, and without it functioning properly, can cause issues like low throttle response, struggling to overtake, struggle to climb a hill, etc. As the performance is reduced, you may also see a difference in fuel economy, as your engine might need to work harder to make up with the power it used to give. Secondly, you may find smoke from exhaust if the turbo in your car is bad. You may find white, black or even bluish-white smoke. The reason for black smoke is when the turbo cannot provide enough volume of air to burn the fuel and the unburned fuel escapes as black smoke. The white or bluish-white smoke is produced when there's too much oil burning in the engine or exhaust. A faulty turbo can leak oil into the engine intake or exhaust and gets burned along with the fuel, causing the smoke appearance. Thirdly, with a bad turbo, you may hear a whining noise with engine RPM. This happens when the components inside the turbo wears out, which cause excessive play in the moving parts and makes an irritating whining sound. Lastly, with a bad turbo in your car, you may get a check engine light. Modern cars have advanced air metering sensors to monitor the performance of the turbo. If they record an underperforming air supply system, can warn the driver with a check engine light. You may see engine codes related to turbo underboost. The common reason that causes an early turbo failure is the oil contamination or oil starvation. If you don't change the engine oil regularly or use non-specified oil in your motor, the chances to blow your turbo is high. Also, any contamination that can clog up the turbo oil feed lines, which can cause turbo failures. Turbo, when failed, can easily be identified and repaired. Sometimes a servicing might cure the issue, and if the damage is severe, might need a complete replacement.